Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you easy and simple ways to prepare proper coconut rice. Please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Let's start by showing all my ingredients. First, I have my coconut milk, which I bought and blended myself, and some goat meat. For the best flavor, use both goat meat and chicken. Make sure to boil your chicken with coconut milk, saving the remaining coconut milk for later. Trust me, you need that flavor. You also need yellow pepper and red bell pepper and plenty of onion. And please do not add crayfish. I repeat, do not add crayfish. Another key ingredient is banla fish, not the usual dried catfish you buy from malams. I'll wash it properly and set it aside. After that, blend your pepper and onions. It should look exactly like this one. It should not be smooth. Once the pepper and onions are blended, season your goat meat, cook it, season it to your taste. Wash your rice with salt and hot water, then drain it. So after that, heat up your pan, add a little vegetable oil, fry the roughly blended onion for about 5 seconds to release their aroma. Then you can add your blended pepper. You fry that for about 2 minutes. You have to fry it very well. Then add in your banla fish. After adding the banla fish, you go in with your seasoning. I'm sorry, I skipped that part. After that, then I'll add in my washed rice. I'll add in my washed rice. I'll fry until the rice changes color. It should either turn brown or feel too hot to touch. So as I keep on frying, you see, because it will get to a point I had to touch mine to make sure it's okay. So if yours don't feel too hot as you touch it, then you have to keep frying. After that, I'll go in with my chicken stock. Remember, I said I boiled my chicken stock with the coconut milk. And please, I did not boil the chicken and the goat meat together. I boiled them separately. So after adding the chicken stock, I'll make sure I turn everything properly before I'll go in with my coconut milk. I'll put everything together, mix it very well, then taste to ensure the flavor is right. And please season the way you want. Our taste bud is different, so you should do yours according to your own taste bud. So I'll make sure my own flavor is okay for me. Everything is balanced. We don't need too much water for the rice. The heat will make the rice to cook properly. Cover the pot with foil paper. Cook on low heat. I'll say it again. Please be careful not to add too much water. Then check on your rice after a few minutes. Use a wooden spoon or spatula to gently lift and turn the rice. Please don't turn it like you are making eba. You are turning eba. Please just use your spatula to turn it. Tonigari, or your spoon, your wooden spoon. Turn it just to flip it. Don't turn like eba if you know you don't want to eat eba. So after turning the rice, I'll cover the pot with foil paper and cook on low heat for the second time. Remember, we didn't parboil this rice. We only washed it with hot water and salt. So cook it on low heat to avoid ending up with burnt, half-done rice. So please don't be in a hurry. And guys, my authentic coconut rice is ready. See how it's looking? I'll use my spatula to flip and turn everything together to make sure the spices are well distributed. So tell me, don't you like what you see? So, will you be trying this method for your next coconut rice? If yes, please leave a like and a comment below. Bye.